Hi, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday since we won't be able to talk to you on your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay, who's next?
Many more.
Me.
Mazel tov. Erase it. Erase it.
Hey.
Okay. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy
We
birthday.
love you.
Yeah, Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. We love you.
Azaria, do you want to say happy birthday to Grandpa? Say happy birthday, Grandpa.
Say happy birthday, Grandpa.
You want to tell Grandpa you were doing the dishes? Show Grandpa what you were doing in the sink. You cleaning the bowl, making sure it's all clean? Okay, Zara, say happy birthday. Zara, say happy birthday to Grandpa. Say happy birthday to Grandpa.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, that's it. Say goodbye.
Bye. We love